Hello everyone. Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into the world of modular outdoor kitchen design. But what exactly does modular mean in this context? Simply put, a modular outdoor kitchen consists of individual, pre-made units or modules, such as grill bases, sink cabinets, and storage drawers, that can be mixed, matched, and arranged to fit your specific space and needs. Unlike a traditional custom-built masonry kitchen that is permanent and fixed, a modular system offers a plug-and-play approach. It allows you to select the exact components you want and configure them in a way that works for your patio or backyard layout, almost like building with high-end architectural blocks. The primary benefit of opting for a modular design is unparalleled flexibility and scalability. Because these systems are composed of separate units, you don't have to commit to a massive renovation all at once. You can start with a basic grill module and add a sink or a pizza oven later as your budget allows. Additionally, modular kitchens are significantly faster and easier to install than traditional built-in options, often requiring only a level surface rather than extensive foundation work. This also makes them semi-portable. If you decide to remodel your landscaping or even move to a new home, many modular systems can be disassembled and reconfigured or taken with you. They provide a high-end, professional look without the long-term construction headaches of a permanent structure. Decorating a modular kitchen is all about blending functionality with aesthetic continuity. To make it look cohesive, start by choosing a color palette that complements your home's exterior. You can soften the hard lines of the cabinetry by incorporating living decor, such as potted herbs like rosemary or basil placed directly on the countertops for both beauty and easy cooking access. Lighting plays a crucial role as well. Consider adding under-counter LED strips or overhead string lights to create a warm, inviting ambience for evening entertaining. Don't forget about the surrounding area. Placing a stylish outdoor rug or comfortable bar stools can bridge the gap between the kitchen and the living area, making the space feel like a natural extension of your indoor home rather than just a standalone appliance. When it comes to materials, durability is the name of the game, as these units must withstand rain, sun, and temperature shifts. Stainless steel, specifically 304 grade, is the gold standard for its rust resistance and sleek, modern appearance. For those who prefer a warmer, more natural look, high-quality timber like teak or ipe is excellent, provided it is properly treated to resist moisture. For countertops, natural stone like granite or engineered materials like dectin and concrete are top choices because they are heat-resistant and won't fade under UV exposure. High-density polyethylene (HDPE) is another popular choice for cabinetry because it is weatherproof, easy to clean, and available in a wide variety of colors and textures that can even mimic the look of real wood. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best modular outdoor kitchen design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the rustic timber hearth. This stunning setup features modular cabinetry constructed from rich, warm timber, providing a beautiful contrast against a classic stone backdrop. The L-shaped configuration maximizes workspace, integrating a built-in sink and a specialized wine cooler, while the standalone stainless steel grill remains easily accessible for the chef. 2. Modern emerald elegance. A bold take on modular design, this kitchen uses vibrant emerald green cabinetry that stands out brilliantly against a natural stone wall. The high-capacity range hood and professional-grade grill are integrated into a sleek, linear layout, perfectly positioned near an outdoor lounge area for a seamless entertaining experience. 3. Matte black industrial chic. For a sophisticated, contemporary look, This matte black modular system features laser-cut decorative panels that add a unique architectural flair. The compact layout efficiently houses a grill, a beverage fridge, and even a ceramic pizza oven, proving that you don't need a massive footprint to have a fully functional gourmet kitchen. 4. The Dark Professional Suite. This design showcases deep charcoal cabinetry topped with a luxurious speckled granite countertop. The layout is optimized for efficiency, placing a high-end gas grill and a red ceramic Kamado-style smoker side by side, creating a versatile cooking station that can handle everything from quick burgers to slow-smoked briskets. 5. Clean lines and slat roof sophistication. Integrated under a modern black pergola with adjustable slats, this modular kitchen uses crisp white cabinetry to create a bright, airy feel. The long, continuous countertop provides ample prep space, while the built-in grill and sink are positioned to allow the cook to stay engaged with guests seated at the nearby dining table. 6. Minimalist Mountain Retreat. Taking inspiration from minimalist design, this modular setup uses smooth, sand-colored cabinets that blend effortlessly into the surrounding patio. The sink and grill modules are separated by a central preparation area, featuring a clean, handle-less aesthetic that emphasizes the breathtaking mountain views. 7. Sleek Nightlight Noir. Perfect for late-night gatherings, this modular kitchen features integrated blue LED lighting under the grill controls for a high-tech vibe. The dark, seamless cabinetry is paired with a built-in wine and beverage cooler with glass doors, allowing guests to easily see and grab a drink without interrupting the chef. 8. The Ultimate Gray Gourmet Hub. This expansive L-shaped modular system is finished in a sophisticated slate gray and includes a unique integrated fireplace for added warmth and ambience. The open shelving at the bottom provides convenient storage for firewood and baskets, while the dedicated smoker and sink modules make this a complete outdoor culinary center. 9. Contemporary Wood Grain Hybrid. Combining the durability of metal with the beauty of wood, this modular kitchen uses wood slat cabinet faces set within a sturdy stainless steel frame. The wide, angled layout follows the perimeter of the stone patio, creating a defined cooking zone that feels both professional and inviting. 10. Bright white and synthetic turf contrast. Ideal for modern suburban backyards, this bright white modular kitchen features a clean panel design that pops against lush green climbing vines and synthetic turf accents. The compact linear arrangement includes all the essentials: grill, sink, and storage, making it perfect for smaller patio spaces. Modular outdoor kitchens represent the future of backyard design, offering a perfect balance between professional-grade performance and DIY-friendly flexibility. Whether you are a weekend griller or a dedicated outdoor chef, these systems allow you to create a space that reflects your personal style while adding significant value to your home. By choosing the right materials and considering your layout carefully, you can turn a simple patio into a luxurious destination for family and friends. If you found these design ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more exterior and interior design tips. We'd love to hear from you. Which of the top 10 modular kitchen styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss our daily design updates.